20 foods in English. Milk. Milk. A healthy liquid food from animals. Example: he drinks milk every morning. Juice. Juice. A drink made from fruits. Example: she drinks orange juice. Tea. Tea. A hot drink made from tea leaves. Example: he drinks tea in the evening. Coffee. Coffee. A hot drink made from coffee beans. Example: she drinks coffee in the morning. Porridge. Porridge. Soft food made by boiling grains in water or milk. Example: he eats porridge for breakfast. Cornflakes. Cornflakes. A crunchy breakfast cereal. Example: she eats cornflakes with milk. Pancake. Pancake. A flat cake cooked in a pan. Example: he eats pancakes with honey. Waffle. Waffle. A sweet breakfast food with a grid shape. Example: she eats waffles. Dumplings. Dumplings. Small pieces of dough cooked by boiling or steaming. Example: he eats dumplings. Samosa. Samosa. A fried snack with filling inside. Example: she eats a hot samosa. Spring roll. Spring roll. A rolled snack filled with vegetables or meat. Example: he eats spring rolls. Kebab. Kebab. Pieces of meat cooked on a stick. Example: they eat kebabs at dinner. Grilled fish. Grilled fish. Fish cooked over fire or heat. Example: he eats grilled fish. Roasted chicken. Roasted chicken. Chicken cooked in an oven or over fire. Example: she serves roasted chicken. Dal. Dal. A dish made from lentils. Example: he eats dal with rice. Beans. Beans. Edible seeds used as food. Example: she cooks beans. French fries. French fries. Fried potato sticks. Example: he eats French fries. Popcorn. Popcorn. Corn that pops when heated. Example: they eat popcorn while watching a movie. Jam. Jam. A sweet spread made from fruit. Example: she spreads jam on bread. Pickle. Pickle. Vegetables or fruits preserved in spices. Example: he eats pickle with food. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more English lessons. Check out our other videos to learn more words. See you in the next lesson.